Hi everyone. In today's class, I'll do one problem from the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. This question they asked during the year of 2019 in LIC AAO preliminary examination. This is from the topic profit and loss. The percent profit earned by selling an article at rupees 5,400 is equal to the percent loss incurred on selling the same article at rupees 3,600. What would be the percent profit if the article is sold for rupees 5,000? That is a question. In this problem, cost price is not given. We have to find out the cost price. But what is given? No. In the first transaction, profit percentage earned by selling a percent profit earned by selling an article at rupees 5,400. That means while he was selling that article for rupees 5,400, he is keeping on profit percentage. Am I right? That profit percentage is equal to the loss percentage incurred on selling the same article at rupees 3,600. That profit percentage is equal to that loss percentage. That is only given. In both the transaction, selling price is given. While he was getting the profit, selling price was rupees 5,400. Okay. While he was losing, while he was getting the loss, the selling price was rupees 3,600. It is given. Okay. That both the percentages are equal. It is given in the problem. Okay. Let us calculate cost price first. Okay. Usually, for profit percentage and loss percentage, we are calculating on the basis of CP. Am I right? Because profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. Loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. Okay. So, let us calculate that amount first. 5,400 minus X. Okay. He was gaining, no? Is equal to 3,600 plus X. Both the amount are same, it is given in the problem. So, because percentages are same, it is given. Okay, let us see. See, I'm bringing all the X terms to this side. Okay, here plus X is there, no? Okay, I brought this X this side. So, 5,400 minus 3,600, that is 1,800 is equal to 2x. So x value is equal to rupees 900. Okay. So if you add that 900 rupees to this 3,600, you will get cost price. Am I right? So CP is equal to 3,600 plus 900. That is rupees 4,500. Okay. Or otherwise, if you want to use this selling price 5,400, you have to subtract this 900. Okay. Then there also you will get 4,500 only. That is only CP of the article. Okay. CP of an article is rupees 4,500. But for how many rupees he wants to sell? Selling price is rupees 5,000. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. That is 5,000 minus 4,500. So that is rupees 500. Because we have to find out the profit percent for this transaction only. Okay, so profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. What is profit? 500. What is CP? 4,500 into 100. 5 is going here 9 times. So 100 by 9. Divide 100 by 9 one time. 9. Okay, 1 is here. Again one time. Again one time. Again 9. 1 is remainder. Again 0.11. Like that it goes. So 11.11 percentage. 11.11 percentage. So which option is correct? Option A is correct. Thank you.